Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to crop your webcam in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Sources section. This is where you manage all the visual elements that appear in your streams or recordings. Click on the plus icon to add a new source. A menu will pop up with various options and you'll want to select Video Capture Device from the list. This option allows you to add your webcam as a source in OBS. After selecting Video Capture Device, a window will appear asking you to name this source. It's helpful to give it a clear descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. For example, you could simply type webcam in the name field. Once you've entered your preferred name, click OK to proceed to the next step. Now you'll see the Properties window for your Video Capture Device. At the top of this window, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Device. Click on this drop-down to reveal all the available webcams connected to your computer. Select your preferred webcam from the list. This tells OBS which camera feed to display in your scene. After making your selection, click OK to confirm and add the webcam to your scene. At this point, your webcam feed should now be visible in your OBS scene. Here's where the cropping magic happens. To crop your webcam and remove unwanted edges or background, you'll need to hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. While holding Alt, you'll notice the red bounding box around your webcam source. This box has handles on the edges that you can manipulate. Click and drag these red handles inward from any side or corner. As you drag them, you'll see that instead of resizing the entire webcam feed, you're actually cropping it and cutting away portions of the image. This is perfect for removing distracting elements from the edges of your camera view or creating a tighter, more focused shot. Continue adjusting the handles until you've achieved the exact crop you want. When you're satisfied with how your webcam looks, simply release the Alt key and you're done. And that's it. You've successfully cropped your webcam in OBS, giving you complete control over what viewers see in your stream or recording. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.